Hello, this is the basic techniques and assembly illustration for easy mount your Luxor Present Series LED tube. In a moment. What do you need to mount your LED tube? 1 luminaire, 2 conventional fluorescent sockets, 4 pieces of wire, 1 tape, 1 cutter, 1 screwdriver, and an outlet cable. Finally, what you do not need or you can discard. You don't need to use the starter and the ballast. After separation of these parts, we can then start to mount. First step. Peel and insert each wire inside of the connector socket. This is the first division of one wire connected. And this is the form as all the wires are supposed to be. Second step. Join the ends of each pair of wires as shown on this figure. Third step. Now, add each pair of the wires with the ends of the outlet wire, as shown. In the fourth step you have 2 ways to view the final assembly. The first, plugging only with the LED lamp into sockets, to give you an idea how simple it is to mount it, and the second, mounted with everything together. This is one of several ways to mount the Present Series LED tube. Just keep in mind that the Present Series LED lighting tube comes with internal power supply, and the form of wiring differs from conventional fluorescent lamps. The Present Series LED tube are very easy to electrically connect, but must be followed basics ambient conditions such as there is 1 pole at each lamp side, and each side has a pair of pins that are in turn short-circuited. Finally, in this picture, you can see another way of assembling the Luxor Present Series LED tube, simply adding a switch. Thanks for using our products.